Well, this is John Black, the super chemist. While I'm waiting for some other thing to happen, might as well do this short little simple video. It's about boiling stones. You know, I never actually seen boiling stones till recently, and they just look like little sand granules. I always use these. What you do is you get a cup, coffee cup. See that? You want no writing on it, even though I got some writing on it. But it's that typical white type of, like ceramic type material, right? Put it in a baggie, plastic baggie. Get your technical science tool, hammer. Boiling stone, boiling stone, boiling stone, boiling stone. Basically, you can do that, or if you have any pyrex glass, you can do the same thing. Just bunch it up into little pieces about this size, probably about half that size, really. Um, Throw them in, and you got yourself some free boiling stones, or whatever it costs per cup. Well, that cup was free for me, so. Uh, this is John Black. I hope that helps. I mean, it's a nice, simple thing. And you can use them over and over and over until they get kind of crusty.